This conference will now be recorded.
Right, sir. The today's topic is strings. What is string? I already explained what is string, what are the different types of strings. Now the today's topic is the remaining string inbuilt functions. String built-in functions. String built-in functions. Already completed built-in functions are len completed, split completed, replace completed, and again the next one is join completed, and is alphanumeric completed, and is alphabet completed, is number completed, and so on. These are the topics are already completed topic. Now the today's the next remaining functions are count function. The count function is important function. The remaining functions are after completing the count is index function, and the next one is a find function. And these are the some of the remaining functions are. Now the next one is count function. What is count functions are? This function is used to count the number of times count the number of times present given substring in a string. Okay. వినిపించట్లేదమ్మా? వినిపిస్తుందా? Any doubt? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
We can hear you.
Right, okay. This function is used to find the number of times present a given substring into a string. A given string is present number of times into a substring. This function is used to count the number of times present a given substring. This is a given substring into a string. For example, the number of example. One example is count of example 1. Okay, now this is a substring and one is a string. String equal to, for example, Python is a string and Python is a string. Now to find the s dot count of O. O is counting how many number of times present in a string. O is a substring. Here what is O only? The O is called as a substring. Now it is a substring. Please wait 1 minute. So now it is a substring. This is the substring. Okay, here it is a original string. S is a original string. Shilpa, you are unable to hear. Please re-enter. Shilpa, re-enter. Again, log out and again enter the enter. Okay, again enter into the link, please. The remaining persons are all also here. No problem. Now, this is the O is a substring and S is a original string. This substring is present how many number of times in a string? Now, so this is present how many number of times in a string? O is present in only one time. O is present only one time. That is a count function. This is the O is present only one time. Please observe this one. Okay, it is present only one time. In a given string. For example, print of s dot count of. For example, t. T is also present only one time. Print of s dot count of. For example, m. M is present how many times? M is not present in a string, so that's why return value equal to 0. Count of O one time. Count of t one time, and the count of m is not present, so that's why written the value equal to 0. If the given string, if the substring not present in a string, it returns 0. It returns the 0. If it is present, return the value, otherwise present the 0. Clear up to first example. Again, the second example. Example 2, for example, is a big string, not only one line. So you are using not only one word, you are using more than one word. For example, S equal to, for example, Python is a high-level programming language. Python is a high-level programming language. It is a string, so it is a complete string. So here print of s dot count of L. L is present how many number of times? L is present more than one time, not only one time. So here L value 1, 2, 3 times present. L is present in the 3 times. Okay, Nandi. Print of s dot count of. For example, okay, count of, for example, G or H. H is present how many times? For example, count of s dot count of, for example, Python. It is a substring. Python is present how many times? A print of s dot count of gram, gram, gram. Gram is present on how many times? Gram is a substring. Gram is present how many times? Python is present one time. Gram is also present one time. Gram is also present one. For example, Python, the print of s dot count of, for example, cosmic is not present. That's why return the value equal to 0. It is a count function. Clear up to here? What is a count function? It is used to count the number of times in a given string. L is present. Okay, now here L is present one. L is present 3 times. H is present 3 times. Python is present only 1 time. Gram is present 1 time. Cosmic is not present. So that's why it is the value equal to 0. It is the value equal to 0. Any doubt in that? Any doubt up to here? Okay. Now this is called
three count ఎట్లా వచ్చింది మీకు త్రీ కౌంట్ మీకు ఎట్లా కనిపించింది సార్ అది
అర్థం కాదా
L equal to 3 అని వచ్చింది కదా సార్ H equal to 3 Python equal to 3 అని
అవును
వచ్చింది నార్మల్ గా అంటే ఏ వేరియబుల్స్ తోటి వచ్చింది సార్ మనకి
వేరియబుల్ ఉంది కదమ్మా ఇక్కడ నువ్వు ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ ఎంత L వాల్యూ ఇచ్చావు దిస్ ఇస్ ద గివెన్ స్ట్రింగ్ L S లో L ఎన్ని సార్లు ఉందండి 1 2 3 టైమ్స్ వచ్చింది అది L ఎన్ని సార్లు
ఓకే సార్
count how many number of times present a given substring into a string ఈ string లో ఈ substring ఎన్ని సార్లు వచ్చిందో చెప్తుంది
okay
now clear and the next one this is the first one the count function and the next function is index function this function is used to index the second one today's topic second one is the index function this function returns the index number of the given substring index number this function returns the index number of a substring into a string given index number of a substring into a string. Okay, clear. For example, the index number here, for example, we are using the example 1 for only for Python. So now sir, how it is stored in internally example 1 how it is stored in the internally Python. So now the Python is a string. This string is stored into it is a string and this string it is a Python. The Python is stored P Y T H O N. This is a string Python 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are the index numbers, positive index number. These are the negative index numbers -1 -2 -3 -4 and -5 and -6. So now here the index of O. What is the index of O? The index number of O. The index number of P. Index number. And what is the index number of the M? What is the index number of the M? So count of M means 0. The count of this is the output only. This is the output. Now the index number of O. The index number of O returns always only for positive. That is the value equal to. And index number of T. The index number of the T is only for 2. The index number of T is 2. And the index number of M is not present. Now it is the value equal to index error or value error. I'll show you one by one. So now run this program. The index numbers only. This function returns the index numbers. Clear. The index number of O 2. The index number of O 4. The index number of T 2. And here it is the value error. This function returns the value error. Why? Because this value is not present in a list. This value is not present in a string or list or anything. So it is returns only for the index number. Clear? Any doubt? Returns the only index number. This function returns the index number of the given substring. Any substring returns the only for the index number. And out in the clear remove and index functions. Okay. Remove and the index functions. And the next one more function is okay. The next one more function is, for example, write that 1 minute. And the one more important function is okay. Now the strip function. The one more important function is the strip function. Strip. Now that is called that is used in the removing spaces. from this string. This is another heading, another small heading. There is a head. Now we can remove the. Here we are using the three methods. How do we remove the? We can use the following three methods. Following three methods for removing spaces from the given string. Here we are using the first one is the R strip. This is a one function. It is used to. This function is used to. It is used to remove the spaces. Only remove the spaces at the right hand side of this string. Right hand side. And one more is for B. One more for the second one is L strip, left strip. It is used to remove the spaces at left hand side. And the third one is only for strip function. This is the function. It is used to remove the spaces both sides. There are three important, but I will show you one by one example. So how to remove the spaces within a string? For example, it is a string. Example, it is a string S equal to it is a string. Okay, it is a string. Now the string here these are the blank space. These four are the blank space. Okay, now these spaces are in the left hand side. So these spaces are the removing. How to removing the spaces? By using L strip. I will show you with the example. For example, okay, it is a string and it is a string. Example, S is a string. For example, print of S. Okay, now run this program. The print of S, including blank space. We are printing including the blank space. We are printing including blank spaces. Now these blank spaces are printed. These blank spaces are printed for 4 or 5 blank spaces. 4 or 5. Left side blank space. These are more number of blank spaces. So now it is as these blank spaces are printed. Now I want to strip for the for the left hand side. Print of S dot L strip. This is the left hand side. This left hand side values are stripped. And now remove the values. Remove the left hand side blank spaces. Now what is the difference between first print and second print? I will explain you. This is the first print and okay, what is the difference between first print and second print? First print for the with the blank space. Second one print for the removing the blank space. Removing the left hand side blank space. Please observe this one. Removing the left hand side blank space. This is for L strip. Removing the left hand side blank space. Now here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, and for example, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, now you have 21. For example, print of length of S. What is the length of S? And what is the length of S? The number of elements in the length of S equal to 20. Here the number of elements equal to 20. After removing the strips, length of S dot L strip off. So now it is a L strip. Now we are the three. These are the strip and S and the length. Now after stripping, now the length of the string. Now here what is the difference between? ఇక్కడ అంతా blank space కూడా count చేస్తాం. Value is 20. After left hand side tripping, the value equal to the value equal to only for real characters. The real characters are for only for 6 only. L strip. This means there are the removing spaces for 3 purposes. One for R strip, one for left strip, one for to strip the both sides. Now for example, first example, to remove blank spaces at left side. Is the first example. Remove the blank space at left side. Okay, but this is completed. Okay. For example, if you want to remove this is the first example. Example 1. Example, if you want to remove the blank space at right side also. For example, another example. This is second example and example 2. Okay, please observe this one. Example 2 only for R strip. Okay, sorry. This is the next one. Is the example 2 for to remove the blank space at right side. Here we are using the R strip. Right side. Now we are adjusting the not only for the left side. Okay, only for the right hand side blank space. Now the right hand side blank spaces. Now here counting not needed here. మీకు అర్థం కావడం కోసం counting requirement లేదు మనకి, counting అవసరం లేదు. రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ రిమూవ్ అయినా లేదా తెలుసుకోవాలి అంతే. Okay, this is called as a R string. R string. Now run this program. R string. Okay. Either without here these are the blank spaces for 4 or 5. Here without blank space. This print is without blank spaces. Okay. So and observe చేసుకోండి, ఇక్కడ మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది స్పష్టంగా. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఉందండి, మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది స్పష్టంగా. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ వరకు ఉంది స్ట్రింగ్, మీకు కనిపిస్తుంది చూస్తుంటండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎంత వరకు ఉందో చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఇక్కడ వరకు ఉంది. ఇదే ఈ స్ట్రింగ్ ఎక్కడ వరకు ఉందండి, ఇక్కడ వరకే ఉంది. యువత లేదు, నేను మూవ్ చేస్తున్నాను. మీరు వాళ్ళ పాయింట్ తో మూవ్ చేసుకొని చెక్ చేసుకోండి, ఉండదు. Only for to remove the right hand side. This is for example 2. Now the example 3 for remove the both sides. Remove the both sides. To remove the blank spaces, both sides. Both sides. Both sides. Both sides. And how to remove the blank space in both sides? For example, we are removing the blank space at both sides. So now this is a string. This string in the both sides. Blank space are 4 blank space here. Again, a 4 or 5 blank space here. To remove the both sides blank space. Now we are using the both sides blank space. We are using the only for strip. Only for the strip function. This function is used to only for the both sides blank spaces. Both sides blank space. The blank space are removing the both sides. What is the both sides blank space are removing the both sides. Clear? This function is used for the removing the values from the both sides. Clear up here? Any doubts? Yeah, doubt in the there, so check just one. Up here, removing the values. Okay, but removing only for blank spaces, not the characters. Remove it only me కావాల్సిన blank spaces మాత్రమే remove చేస్తాం. జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి. Okay, only blank space మాత్రమే remove చేస్తాం. Clear? Yeah, doubt in the ఎవరికన్నా? And another function. The very important function. చాలా మంది ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసే ఉంటారు, చూసే ఉంటారు. That is another function, format function. It's very useful for format function. Format. Okay. This function is used to formatting the strings. And now this is the another function. This function is used to formatting the strings. Okay. Now the variable values by using replacing its operator. Now we can format the strings. We can format the strings with variable values by using replacement operator. That is the square bracket. There's an empty square bracket, empty curly braces. Okay, empty curly braces and format method or format function. So what is the format function? This function is used to format the strings. And the first one, this function is used to format the strings. And the second one, the format method, the format function. Okay, we can format the strings with variable values by using replacement operator. This operator is called as a replacement operator. For example, I will show you with example. For example 1 and example a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. For example, is the value. Okay, so some values. For example, either string or some values also. Replacing the variable values by using the replacement operator. Variable value. For example, to perform the operation c equal to a plus b, simply you want to print the only addition equal to. Okay, addition equal to comma c. This is the one type of output. Print the values. Format. Print the values. This is observe this one. The one type of output. The value, the output equal to 30 only. The output equal to 30 only. Here, please observe the output. Now, I want to change this output some another format. For example, print of. Okay. For example, the addition of the sum of empty replacement operator. Okay, and empty replacement operator is the sum of. This is called as the replacement operator. Please observe this one. The square bracket is called as the replacement operator. Square bracket, sorry, curly braces is called as the replacement operator. This curly braces is called as a replacement operator. Now the result equal to the sum of first number and second number is Okay, some colon symbol. Again the replacement operator. Okay, single quotes close. Dot format of A comma B comma C. Please observe this one. Now here A comma B comma C are the arguments. Format function is very important. Okay, now A comma B comma C are arguments. The first replacement operator. The value of A is replaced. First empty operator, empty curly brace. The value of B is replaced. Second empty operator. The value of C is replaced. Third empty curly braces. Now this is called the replacement operator. Here in Python, the curly braces is called as empty curly braces. Is called as a replacement operator. Empty curly braces is called as a replacement operator. So now here we can format the strings with variable values by replacement operator, empty curly braces, and format function. Here the values of A and B and C are replaced with the first value is first replacement, second empty curly braces, second replacement, third empty curly braces, curly braces. So please observe this one. Okay, for example, run this program. Okay, which one is better running? You can observe this one. The output, which one is very clarity and neatly. First one, weights equal 30. Next thing, the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. The sum of 10 and 20 is 30. It's also the second one is better. Now this is the replacement, this operator. Clear? And doubt in the for example, another example. In different right. Third is second example. For example, okay. For example, some values. For example, the name equal to, for example, Kusu Srinivas. Okay. Kusu Srinivas. Okay, for example. Okay. Yes, for example, yes, Chapanamma.
Sir, my fine example lo. Sir, fine example lo manamu direct ga format తీసుకోకూడదా? ఇప్పుడు మనం రీప్లేస్ తీసుకొని ఫార్మాట్ తీసుకోకూడదా సార్?
రీప్లేస్మెంట్ తీసుకోలేవు కదా, ఇక్కడ రీప్లేస్ అవ్వాలి కదా, డైరెక్ట్ ఉండదు. ఏ దగ్గర ఇక్కడ ఏ రీప్లేస్ అవుతుంది,
ఓకే సార్,
బి రీప్లేస్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ సి రీప్లేస్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? వితౌట్ రీప్లేస్మెంట్ ఆపరేటర్ ఎక్కడ రీప్లేస్ చేయాలో తెలియాలి కదా దానికి. అలా ఎలా చేయాలో కూడా చూద్దాం. ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాదు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఓకే, మై నేమ్ ఇస్ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ శ్రీనివాస్. For example, his salary is, for example, 98,000. For example, assume that. For example, and age equal to 47 years of age, for example. Okay, clear? So, in different rata. For example, okay, single quote start, a replacement operator. Okay, as single quote some value which are out. Salary is okay, and replacement operator, and is age is, and is age is replacement operator, colon. Format of replacement operator. The total values are okay. It is possible to write this like okay. Format of no, that is not possible. Pawan, that is not possible. I will extend. That is not possible. Now here as single quotes salary equal salary is and is age is format of, for example, name comma salary comma age. Okay, observe చేసుకోండి. Salary comma age. These are the different values. And so now here it is a single quote. Now here single quote. Yes. Now that's why you are using the double quote. Now it is a formatting. The first empty replacement. Now the name value is replaced to the first value. So Kusu Srinivas. Okay, Srinivas. Okay, salary is okay. The second replacement. For example, 98. Lela. For example, here not only Kusu Srinivas. Now he is for example Pawan. Okay, now they're using the Pawan. Now the Pawan. Now Pawan's salary is okay. So now replacing 98,000, and his age is, for example, 22 years. His age is 22 years. For example, this is the format function. Okay, second. Different rights and output check number. Now the format of the output salary is not defined. Now here we are using only for sal. That's why the salary is not defined. Now run this program. Clear? Pawan's salary is 98,000 and is age is 22. Clear? Is also writing the one more value. Same thing. Incorrect more right. Another type also. another type here. Now here we are using index, some like it is called as the values. This is the 0, this is the 1, and this is the 2, the 1. So here the format function, here, okay, this is applied to the 0 argument. This is called a 0 argument. This is the 1 argument. This is the 2 argument. Here, so here the salary value. Here it is the age value. Please observe this one. Age value. Now replace the value. Here replace the values and here replace the value. It is also a second pattern. Now run this program. It is also a second pattern. It is second pattern. Pawan's salary 98,000. Pawan's salary 98,000 and his age is 20. It is also second pattern like this also. Either first type or second type. First one is better. Always first one is better. Without 0. So empty curly braces only, not empty. Okay, now here we are using empty curly. The spaces also it returns the error. The space also returns the error. Only for empty curly braces. Now with spaces it returns the error. That is not possible. That is the empty curly brace means replacement operator. With the spaces also it returns the error. Another clear. The space is error. Now another method. For example, this is another method. For example, another way, second way, go right. For example, for example, the name value equal to zigzag. For example, zigzag, not only same type, it is a zigzag. Okay. For example, is A is equal to A, is equal to A, comma, name equal to N, comma, salary equal to S. It is called as a, this is called as a one type of argument. This argument is called as a, which type of argument and which type of argument? Chapandi evarana? Which type of argument? This is called as already functions topic అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళు. ఏ టైప్ అవుతుంది? ఓకే చెప్పాలి. ఇది ఏ టైప్ అవుతుంది చెప్పాలండి. Which type of arguments అండి ఇవి? Which type of key value and value. Now here first is N. First is N. Here salary is S. Here age is A. Here to submit the value of the key. Here the value of the key is age. Here the value of the S is salary. Here the value of the N is name. Now that is the other step. He moved 3 ways to A way and right chani. Always the first one is better. A is not defined. Please excuse 1 minute. Okay. Now, sorry, opposite not determined. A equal to age and N equal to name. Now here key and value based. Key and value based got illa undali. Now another one, salary equal to X. X equal to salary. Key is a S and SAL is the salary. S is a key, SAL is a value. Now run this program. This is also another type. In 3 ways we can use any one. Now always is the first one is the best for format functions. This is called as a format function. Clear only? And out up to here. Now after completing the format function, these are the complete functions in strings. First part 1 and part 2. Now go for the programs part. Now the programs in strings. Programs in strings are first very simple program. How to enter a string value from the keyboard. Okay. The first program is write a program to read string and print it print it. Simple value. Read the string and print it. This is the first program. How to read the string from the value. For example, the string S equal to, by using reading means input, enter any string. This is the string. And after completely print. Okay. Given string is colon comma S. That's our complete finish. This is the program. Simple first example. When the first example is write a program to read string, any string or any word and print it. Print this string only. Okay. And print this the given string. Print the given string. The given string. This is the string value and the given string. Now enter or entered string. Given string or entered string. Both are same. Entered string. Given string or entered string. For example, okay. Enter any string. Double. It is not needed here. The double params. Many params are only for the int. Now it is a string value. Now the reading purpose is input. This function is used to read the values from the keyboard. This function by default this function reads only string values by default. If you want to read the integer values, before you are using one int of integer, We want to read the float value before using float of so and so on. Now here only for string value by using only input only, and after that is the entered string is, now this is a string. Enter any string. Okay, my name is enter the string is Srinivas. Now enter string is Srinivas. Now for example, enter the string is, for example, Python is a high level programming, is a high level. Okay, simple, high level. Your entered string is Python is a high level. Here guys, Python is a high level. This is the string value reading, and string means any word or string, and read the values and print it. Second program, write a program to find the length of the given string. Okay, length of the given string. Or one example, after completing the find length of the given string, write a program to find the given word is keyword or not. In a simple example, the given word is keyword or not. There are the number of keywords are available. So how to find these keywords are now the keyword or not. So these are the keywords. Okay, import keyword. An example, keyword dot kw list. All the keywords. These are the 35 keywords. 35 keywords are available in Python 3.8.3. We are available in the 35 keywords. The one is the in keyword, end keyword. These are the keywords. Enter one word. The word is a keyword or not. For example, s equal to input of enter any word. This word is keyword or not. If s dot is keyword, it is a built-in function. Is keyword is equal to int of given word is or entered word is keyword. Entered word is keyword. Okay. Else colon int of entered word is not a keyword. Okay, here the entered word is not a keyword. This is another example. Now here using the is keyword, now import the values. Import of keyword. Explain that Sunday. What is import? What is keyword? I will explain later, not now. And now that is the explanation. Now enter any word. For example, the Python. Okay, Python. It is a keyword or not? Attribute is keyword. Wait a minute, which is wrong. Okay, here keyword dot. Okay, sorry. Keyword dot is keyword of s. Is keyword of s. This given s is a keyword or not. Okay, the s is a keyword or not. For example, it is a Python. Okay, entered word is not a keyword. Entered word, that means Python is a not keyword. For example, if you want to use this one, sir, by using entered word, not entered word, level right. Okay, s. Okay, s is not a keyword. S is your entered word. Here s comma. Now, okay, is a keyword like this also. Okay, now run this program. Okay, enter any word. While is a keyword. While is a keyword. Okay, now that's not suitable. It is suitable. While is a keyword, and the next while is not a keyword. Run this program. For example, hello. Enter word is hello. Hello is not a keyword. To find the given word is keyword or not. That's the second program. Third program. Write a program. Find the length of the given string or word or any one given string. How to find the length and For example, how to find the length value? First enter the string. S equal to input of enter any string. And you okay. This value is find the length. For example, your entered string is Python. Okay, the length equal to how many number of the words and how many number? 6. How many characters? Length means character. For example, hello. Okay, now length equal to 5. Hello friends. The length equal to okay. These are the 5 and the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now the length value equal to 13. This is a string. This is a string value to find the length. Here there are the two ways, and one way is using length method. One way is method one is using len function. This is the one way. Using len function. So enter any word. So now find the length of s. Okay. Here is the length of the L. This is first way, easy way, direct to find the number of elements. The string is, for example, Python. The length equal to 6. Mali run enter any string. Hello friends. The length equal to 13. Here the number of characters equal to 13. Here the number of characters equal to only for 6 and 13. Clear, guys? Okay, these are the number of characters. This is the first character. This is the first method using len function. Okay, length equal to or the number of characters equal to length or number of characters. Here, okay, for example, good morning. Okay, enter. Number of characters equal to 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The number of characters equal to 12. For example, same value entered into another way. For example, okay, enter any string. Good morning. Okay, good morning. Okay, and with blank spaces. Now enter. Number of characters equal to here. The value equal to 16, not 12, because blank space also counting. This is the first method. And the second method, without using len function, how to find the length function? How to find the length without using second method? This is the second method. Without using len function. Please wait only 1 minute. Okay, without using len function. The second method is very important. Without using function. The second one is without using function. So now here we are not using the len function to find the length or the number of characters equal to. Okay, number of characters equal to find the length value. Here the number of characters that is equal to, for example, to find the L value. Number of characters equal without using any len function. How to find this thing? Length. For example, we are using for I in S. This is a logical. I in S. L equal to L plus 1. To find this string. This is here you are using L equal to 0. L means length. Please observe this one, not a I, not 1. This is not a one value. L equal to 0. Here we are using one variable is S. And please observe this one. What is the one variable? One variable is S. For example, S is a Python. Here S is a Python. This is a L. S and 0th location, first, second, third, fourth, and 5 locations. Clear. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. It is completely for S. Clear. Up to here, clear. This is the first value. And next one is a I and one is a I variable. Another one is a L. Initially, the L equal to 0. This is the second one. Initially the L value equal to 0. And third one for I in the S. That means Python. One by one character. So using for loop to read the one by one character. First, initially, what is the value of I? The value of I is P. Initially, the value of I is P. Clear, guys. I is P. So now the I value equal to P. Now here length equal to length plus 1. The previous length value is 0 plus 1, 1. The 1 value is assigned to L. Here the L value equal to 1. Again for loop and go to back. Next time the I value equal to Y. I value equal to Y. Clear, guys? I value equal to Y. And next time I value equal to Y and the control entered into the body. Now the L value equal to L plus 1. L plus 1 L value is 1. 1 plus 1 L value equal to 2. Now again go to back. The I value equal to 3. This is without using length function, len function. I value equal to t. Clear, guys? I value equal to t. Now enter into this one. Now L equal to L plus 1. L value is 2 plus 1, 3. L value is 2 plus 1, 3. Now the L value equal to 3. Now go to back. Go to back. I value equal to h. I value equal to h. This is the I value equal to h. L plus 1. L plus 1. L value is 3. The latest L value is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, now the L value equal to 4. Again, the next go to back. I value equal to next time is O. I value equal next time O. Again, the next value equal to, okay, now L equal to L plus 1. Now the L value equal to 5. Again, go to back. I value equal to N. Now L value equal to N value. I equal to N value. Now the L equal to L plus 1. Now the L value equal to 6. Clear? L value equal to 6. Again, go to back. No more items. N is also completed. The complete string is completed. Complete string is completed. Now the L value equal to 6. L value equal to 6. Here the latest L value equal to 6. After completing, now executing this statement. This statement is the number of characters equal to L. The number of characters equal to 6. Without using len function. Now here enter any string. The string equal to, for example, Python. Number of characters equal to string 6. And one more time, for example, now the Python. Please wait 1 minute. Now, okay. Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. How are you? Okay. Here the number of characters equal to 30. Clear, guys? Number of characters equal to 30. This is very important. Please observe this one. This is very important. This is a string. Okay. This is a string. Here the next question is, here we are only finding the one number of characters. The next one is number of characters and number of words also. How many words are available here? Here how many words and here how many words? Okay, how many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The total number of words equal to 6. Number of characters equal to 30. The number of characters equal to 30. The number of digits equal to some any value. Okay. Number of digits equal to so and so. Number of special characters equal to any value. Now the next question is to find the, here this question is to find the length of the given string. Length of the given string. Clear? Any doubt and up to here? The fourth one is write a function, write a program to find the number of characters, okay, and number of words, same program, same logic. Here the number of words is very important. Number of characters, number of words, and if you want to find the, okay. So here the number of characters, enter any string. Number of characters, number of words is the logic. Now here a number of characters, that means we are using the number of characters NC. That means number of characters. Number of characters equal to 0. Number of words equal to 0. Number of characters 0. Number of words equal to 0. For example, if I equal to blank space. If I equal to blank space, to count the value, if I equal to blank space, number of words equal to number of words plus 1. Number of words equal to number of words plus 1. Next value, else number of characters equal to number of characters plus 1. Okay, now this is the number of characters equal to value, and one more value, number of words equal to NW. The variable NW is one variable. NC is also another variable. NC and NW. NC and NW. Okay. NC and 1W. Right. MC equal to 0 value, initial value, NW equal to 0. To find the number of words, it's a blank space, it is a word. Otherwise, it's not a word. To count the number of words and number of characters. For example, I equal to, not single equal, sorry. I equal to blank space, count the value, and as per the syntax, colon symbol. Now run this one. Here, hello friends, how are you? Okay, enter. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number of words equal to 4. Initially, it is initially to value equal to 1. Why? Because starting is compulsory one verb. After the blank space is another verb. Saying the values are both the values. Clear? Okay. Now here the number of words. Hello friends. Hello friends. How are you? Okay. Number of cats equal to 19. Here without blank space. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Here to count the number of characters without blank space, original value. And here the number of values, number of words equal to 5 values. Clear guys up to here. This is the item program. Next one more important program is to find the reversing of a given string. Item program. The fifth one is item program to find the reversing of a given string. Reversing of a given string. A string is to print the reversing. There are the different methods. Reversing are the totally are the different methods. The reversing are available in the different methods. Sir, what is one way, sir? S equal to enter any string. Enter any string. Okay. Enter any string. Now here the print of original string equal to so and so value. Okay. And there are the three ways and how to print the values and reversing string and not joining and original string is the reversing string raw. Clear? Okay. The reversing string, to find the reversing string, there are the different ways and okay. Reversing string. How to find the reverse string? The one way, this is the original string, comma s. Another, find the different reversing string. Print of reverse string equal to comma s of using the value -1. This is one way. Okay. No using slice operator. No starting point, no ending point, decrementing by -1. Now this is a string one way. First method using slicing operator. Enter any string is hello. The reverse string is equal to OLLEH. This is the reverse string. Clear? This is the reverse string and one way method. First method. Method one. Using slice operator. Using slicing operator. Clear? Any doubt? Clear Andy? Clear ga? Reversing string print చేయటం. And another way is, second method is, method 2 is using while loop. Using while loop or for loop. No problem. Using while loop or for loop. Using while loop. For how to use while loop and the method 2 is using while loop. This is also same program. Find the enter the value. Okay, first of all enter the value. Using while. This is the original string and it is a reverse string. Please value. Okay. Now, the original string and s equal to original string. After enter the original string, reverse string using another way. That is equal to n or length equal to length of s to find the length value. And I equal to 0. The reverse string. Why? Okay. While I value. Okay, I value equal to, for example, here I value equal to -1. Why? I value is greater than or equal to that is the -n. Like program -1. The print of another way. Print of s of I, comma and equal to same line. Now here I equal to I -1 is another method. The print the reverse string. Here we are using the reverse string within the loop. Print of reverse string equal to comma end equal to same line. So now enter the word is also another way. Enter any string. The reverse string is OLLEH. Is another way. Reversing string value. Clear? Any doubt on it? Okay. And OLL, yes, another way using while loop. Choose ఎలా ఎంటర్ అవుతుంది అనేది enter any string or string. Reversing. First length value find out చేయటం to print the reversing. Here this is the reversing value. PYPHON. Reversing. Reversing means negative. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is the first one. And okay. Length of S. Here this is the end value. Length of S is 6 and clear. Okay. Length of S equal to 6 clear. And I value equal to -1. Okay. Very important. It is also clear. Next one. I is greater than or equal to -1. What is the value of I value? -1 is greater than or equal to -6. -1 is greater than or equal to -6. This condition is true. Then immediately print S of I. What is S of I? S of I means I value is -1. Print the S of minus value is the end value. Again I equal to I -1. -1 -1 that is equal to -2. Again go to back. -2 is greater than or equal to -6. -2 is greater than or equal to -6. This condition is returns true value. Okay, have the S of 2 value. S of -2. S of -2. This value is printed automatically. The -2 value is O and -3 H T. Okay. Okay. Now the -4 T -5. Okay. Y -6. -6 is greater than or equal to -6. Now the P value. Again go to back. -7. Here the value is -7. I value is -7. -7 is greater than or equal to -6. This condition is completely false. Then the control is transferred out of the loop. Okay. Okay. Now that today this is the more than okay. Print the values in the reversing also is possible. Clear? One way is the first method. Another way is the second method. Print the value in reversing order. Clear? Okay. We have two methods. First one original string and second one reverse. Another example program is write a program to find the given string is palindrome string or not. Palindrome string or not. How to find the palindrome strings are? What is palindrome string? With the original string and reverse string both are equal. Now it is a palindrome string. What are the examples? Literal is a palindrome string. Both are equal. What is palindrome string? The original string. What is palindrome string? And the original string is equal to reverse string. So it is a palindrome string. It is a palindrome string. Otherwise not palindrome. Original string and reverse string both must be equal. So literal is a palindrome. Why? Because it is a palindrome. The reversing is also palindrome. Okay, for example, Malayalam is a palindrome string. Malayalam is a palindrome. Original and reverse both are equal. Medam is a palindrome. Original and reverse both are equal. Okay, for example, level is a palindrome. Level, why? Because level is a palindrome. Okay. In Telugu, Kamata is a palindrome. Kitiki is a palindrome. These all are the palindromes. Okay, Vikrekavi is a palindrome. Now, how to find the given string is palindrome or not? In the different ways. For example, one way is S equal to first enter any string. Enter any string. Okay, Andy. Enter any string. This is the first string. Clear? Okay, S equal to enter of any string. Now the next one is okay, reversing string. To find the reversing, how to find the reverse string? RS equal to, for example, S of ::(-1). This is the reverse string. To find the reverse string, the original string is S. The reverse string is RS. RS for reverse string, one variable. Print of original string. Original string equal to comma S. Only printing purpose only. This is not needed. Reverse string equal to comma RS. Original string equal to S. Reverse string is equal to RS. Now to print both these two values first of all. Original string is hollow. The reverse string is OLLEH. Completed. Now if S equal to RS, S both are equal. Print of given string is palindrome. Given string is palindrome. Else not palindrome. It is easiest using the find example. Given string is not palindrome. Given string is are palindrome. Clear your observation. Both are equal. It is palindrome. Please run this program. Okay. Enter any string. It is a made up. Is a original string made up. The reverse is also made up. Given string is palindrome. For example, to find, okay, now hello. To enter the value is hello or Python. Okay. Original string Python. Reverse string is NOHTYP. The given string is not a palindrome. Clear, guys? These are the different programs and different functions in strings. Now almost this is completely string chapter almost completed. Remaining any one or two few programs are remaining. Okay.